This is an LHKNL headlamp 2-pack. There are so many headlamps on the market, and it might seem like there's nothing different from one to the next, but that's not true. If you don't know what to look for, you can easily spend too much for a lower quality product. The first thing to know is that lumens matter, and this headlamp definitely delivers the lumens at 1200 lumens. Lumens are the amount or power of light that the headlamp delivers, and 1200 lumens is at the upper end of that range. It's kind of like comparing a 100-watt light bulb with a 25-watt light bulb. The 100-watt bulb is so much brighter and more powerful, so if you want a headlamp that can throw a beam a long distance while camping or hiking in the woods, you'll like this headlamp. But sometimes you don't want an ultra-powerful beam, like if you're inside a tent, so this headlamp has both a high-intensity and low-intensity settings. Next, let's talk batteries. Some brands require you to buy AAA batteries, but this headlamp is rechargeable with just a USB-C cable. And by the way, you get 2 of these inside of your 2-pack, so you can keep these plugged in if you want to be at full power whenever you need them. Then there's the wave on, wave off function that lets you control your light without even touching the buttons. That's super handy, especially if you're doing stuff like DIY and your hands are dirty, or you're cooking a meal while camping, or if your fingers are just too cold to mess with little buttons. The rest of it is pretty standard stuff. It checks all the boxes that other lights also have. It has a comfortable headband, and the light has an articulating hinge that moves up to 60 degrees. You can flip between a spotlight or a wide angle mode, and both can be either high intensity or low intensity. It can also switch to a red or a flashing red mode. And it's water resistant, so you can get wet, but I wouldn't recommend using it to go scuba diving. Since you're still here watching, here's a bonus feature to remind you to remove the lens protection sticker that says light. These work much better without them, but I've seen quite a few videos where people have kept these on nevertheless. But other than that, it's just a really good value, especially considering the 1200 lumen power it offers. Whether you camp, run, hike, hunt, walk your dog, fix things around the house, these are a great buy. I especially like having these in the car in case of an emergency situation for my family. I think they're a terrific find and definitely recommend them. Thanks for watching.